Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Luna Coin. Luna Foundation has spent $3 billion worth of Bitcoin from their reserves in order to save the peg of UST, and all efforts seems to be futile so far. You can see that it is still moving at 9.7 cents, less than 10 cents, and yesterday it was dropped at 4.8 cents. That is the lowest point so far after this crash. And they have only $9.3 million worth of Bitcoins in their reserve now. And they have aimed to put that Bitcoin in this effort to save the peg of UST. And they're struggling a lot. They're doing a lot of efforts to do it, to counterbalance this peg of UST with the US dollar. And in my point of view right now, rather than trading or buying Luna, buying UST can be more beneficial. This is not a financial advice, but if they will be successful in counterbalance the peg of UST with US dollar, then it will be a really, really big gain from here. So it is just my personal opinion, not a financial advice. And let's move to the chart now. And let me show you this Luna chart. And previously, when we had this big crash, a waterfall crash on 10th of May, I told you that here Luna has formed this triangle. And by the way, this analysis is not for trading. I'm just going to give you my opinion to show you whether there will be some stability in Luna or not. But trading Luna here, it will be really, really risky. So right now we can see after this big crash that we had on 10th of May, even before that this crash was started, and on 9th of May, and you can see even before it was moving here at approximately even above $80. And here we formed this descending triangle. And I told you that if there will be some chances for the recovery, and if you want to see that, is there any spark in Luna to move up from here or any chance of stability, then it can break out the resistance. And that will be the first signal for the stability. But the price line moved down, and we had another waterfall crash, and it is way below down than that value. At that time, I think it was moving at $37, and right now you can see it's moving at $0.000204. And in the last video, I told you that now after this big crash, big drop, Luna has formed a falling wedge pattern, and now it is squeezed, and you can see that both trend lines are touching each other. Therefore, it is now a bearish pennant that is also a bullish bias pattern. And right now, Luna has broken out the resistance. So after the crash, this is the first pattern that Luna has broken out. First, it formed this pattern, and when it moved at the end of this pattern, then it is breaking out. Now, there is a possibility it may retest the previous resistance of this pennant, and after the retest, it will move up. And by the way, there is insane volatility. We have already seen, as in my last video, I was showing you that there was a spike more than 1,700,000%, and it was again dropped more than 1,700,000%. And right now we have broken out, but the price seems to be quite stable right now. You can see that it is moving zigzag inside this bearish pennant and respecting the support and resistance. Before that, it was not respecting or following any support and resistance. And right now, you can see it is testing the support and resistance. Here it was rejected, here rejected, here rejected, and here it was bounced, here bounced, here bounced, and this is the last bounce. And when it was squeezed, it broke out. So right now it is showing quite sophisticated move like any other normal stock, and after following a pattern, it has broken out the resistance. And if we take a look at the technical target, can be here. That is 0.00058. That is also a very, very big target, more than 100%. Right now it is moving at 0.0002. But again, I'm telling you, this is not a trading advice. This is just to show you, is there any stability in Luna for upcoming days, whether we can do some trading in Luna or not. And it will show us that signal. And in my point of view, now Luna needs to form another higher than previous high after this breakout. So far, Luna is not able to form another higher than previous high. And if we take a look at the stochastic, that is also failed in forming a higher than previous high. So if the stochastic form another higher than previous high and the price line forms another higher than previous high, that will be the second step and the second signal for the stability. Right now, it is going very good. It has formed a very nice pattern and broken out the resistance of the pattern, and now it might retest the resistance, and after that it will start the next move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.